Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create Instagram stories to react to music tempo. So for this, the first step is to open the Instagram app on this Android device. So quickly go to the left top, you will see the your story. So you will just tap to on your story in the top left. So now you will just create click to music. So from here you will just select the music of anyone of your choice. So from here you will see the music will be start. So when someone open your story and see this music, and it will be just hold it your story of music, and it will be see the options of reaction like heart and thumbs up and smiley and etc. So it will be given to reply on your story. So this is how to react on music tempo on Instagram story. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.